Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an updated Mac OS and a Microsoft account. Once done, install OneDrive and launch it immediately so you can sign in. You'll be asked to pick a OneDrive folder, choose a drive with enough free space, and make a clear name. Allow keychain access so credentials persist. Make sure to review the sync basics during setup. This establishes the folder structure that OneDrive uses to mirror cloud files on your Mac. You now configure sync details inside the OneDrive menu bar icon and preferences. Turn on Files on Demand if you want placeholders for cloud-only files to save disk space. Make sure you understand that online-only files need an internet connection to open. Next, pick which folders to sync locally so you don't overuse storage. Finally, set network limits if you have bandwidth caps and confirm upload/download speeds. These steps control performance and storage. Finish by confirming file icons in Finder. You'll see green checks, cloud icons, or syncing arrows. These tell you file state at a glance. Once done, use the Activity Center to watch transfers and pause or resume syncing during heavy work. Make sure Finder integration works. Restart Finder if badges don't appear. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in, or reset OneDrive from preferences to rebuild the connection. This resolves most stubborn sync errors without reinstalling the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.